Hello. Only scroll in reels only. Okay, no problem. You scroll. This video also scroll because you are you are don't do anything in your life. Only scroll reels and YouTube short only. You are not serious in your life. Why? Because every everything you have, like you have food, you have clothes, you have father, you have mother, so what you are need? No need for you anything. You have anything, so what you do? Like you are you have some you have more thing. Then why you are study, why you are work, why you are learn English language, why you are learning English language, why you are doing any job, why you are study like that. you are you are happy in your life, so why you learn English? Yeah, that is I am saying. I am good. I am good or not? Please comment me. Because you have you have you have anything, so why you are disciplined in your life? Because you have food, you have clothes, and you have father, you have mother, you have family, you have money, you have bike, you have anything. No need to learn English language. You have your own language, like native. What is your native language? So why you are learn English? Why you are study like that? Okay, no problem. Because I have this time no. This time I have no enough. I am not satisfied my life because I am fear. When I was speaking English, that I'm very fear. And and in my classes also, I know answer. I know answer, but I am not confident enough. That's why I am not speak. I am not speak in front of my class, in front of my teacher, because I am fear. I hesitant. I fear. I hesitant. I feel anxiety. I feel anxiety because I'm not in my whole life, my whole college life, my school life. I am not asking any questions in front of classroom because of fear. Because at that time I thought कि when I was asked any question, that time everyone laugh at me and teacher said this is easy and you don't know this question. That's why I feel कि I didn't ask. I search in my mobile and I find this question. But not that is not good. That is very bad thing. That is very bad. This is my this is my that time that time I job key. And when I was not understand, when I was not understand, I don't understand anything, any answer. that time i try to that time I try to ask question, because teacher also a human being, and I am also human being. Teacher also understand my feelings. And students, I don't, that time you don't care your students, your friends, because they are they are who is really want to study, come to purpose of study. They are not, they don't laugh at you. Who is come without purpose, like roaming and any other purpose, they are laugh at you. because they know because they know कि importance of study, and they are also ask questions. But in 50% of the student, not 50%, you can say 80% of the students are didn't this time. I say this time they are not going college, not go college for purpose of study. They only, some students come because of our parents or family pressure, because of few students come, they are only enjoy her life but in this few students who is really poor, who is really want to study, who is who is who is need, like a few students are there, and they they are going to purpose of study. Okay, and this time education all system also very boring, and not very boring and not updated, because they are teaching they are teaching irrelevant things, because in my subjects there are lots of things I feel that is not relevant to our life, because they they are only theoretically say in my engineering field. They only teach in like they only solve equation, more and equation, like in my engineering, i i I am doing more examples and problem. One, find current. I have I have ammeter. I have example. I have ammeter. I have voltmeter. But they say कि you 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 find you you find answer in pen or paper. You write two or three papers. But I once I connect multimeter or ammeter, then I find current. But they say कि you find equation, then you solve more and more things like that. And they only try to complete her syllabus, but they don't feel they don't realize the student situation. They don't know students which situation is student facing and which problem is students are facing. They only have uh, they only come purpose of money. Some are purpose of money, some are fewer come to teach, and in this fewer come to teach, and also they are not coming to purpose teaching. They only, because of our pressure, uh, they only get salary. That's why they are come. It is good, he teach and they get salary, but they are losing. They are not interest in study. They are not interested in teaching. That's why students are not getting interested in studying, because like when you like teacher also give 100% effort and students also give 100% effort, then the class is interesting. And one side student is not interesting and the teacher also not interesting, that time its class is boring. And one students they are interested, but teacher are not interested interest in interest in teaching. And teacher is interesting study, but students are not interested in study. That time also um, that time also um, not good classes. But teacher responsibility is they are get salary, and they he is the teacher. Purpose of teacher, his responsibility is he he focus on how can I teach, how can I teaching students are more and more, they can understand my words, how I can explain these things. So most of the student more students are understand. But teacher not doing these things, only they focus on complete her syllabus. But complete syllabus like one quiz, or I don't know what say in English. They say ki you complete your whole Ramayana, but you don't know who is Ram. You watched full episode of Ramayana, but you don't know who is Ram. these things apply in this classroom. They complete all syllabus, they complete all syllabus, but they don't know, students are don't know one topic of this syllabus. Whole chapter, they complete whole chapter, but in this chapter students are don't know the chapters of one soft topic. Why? Because teacher also not interested, student teacher are focus on complete syllabus, students are boring, and they they are doing any other another thing. Some student watching reels in front of class, in middle of the class. Some are sleeping in last bench. Some are not interested than he room, he see and either and either. And some are some are study, but this is not good thing, I thought. This is my opinion. So guys, video is very long. Bye bye. And you want to watch more my video, and if you are like my video little 1 second, you believe ki I say something, yeah, I tell something, you related, you connect with you, and you feel ki you learn something. So please subscribe me, and you not subscribe me, only like, and you watch more my video than you subscribe. Okay, let's bye.